I'd give you an update on what my craft room looks like. I did a big craft room tour a while ago, just late last year as a video. But I've rearranged things since then and I'm really happy with it. If we come back here, as we walk through the door, you get to see my fabric that's stored by colour and all my neutrals. It needs a bit of a clean up. A bit more storage, my fireplace with my storage in the middle of the fireplace. It's all capped off that fireplace, so we don't use it. Another big wardrobe full of bolts and other crafts, so stamps and paper goods and things like that. And I moved my sewing table into the middle of the room, so I've got fabulous light from the one window in the room, and I've got all my books and a little bit of display area, though it's kind of full of all my current projects. And in this little corner is all my fabric by designer. And I've got this gorgeous storage unit hanging on the wall that has all my little bits and bobs and cute things and photo props and stuff. And in this corner I've got my ironing board and my Aurifil thread. And if you listened or watched the other video about my craft room, I said I was quite concerned about the darkness down this back side of the room, but as you can see I've resolved that by three lights. One for my ironing board, so I get good light when I'm pressing. One iron for my cutting and everything else that I do standing here. And this light is just ambient light to give a bit of light up so that you can see my beautiful quilt, my Atomic Starburst quilt. So this is where I do all my cutting, and as you can see there's a few projects on the go. I've got my Farm Girl Vintage 2 and all the scraps that are being created. Why do more scraps get created when you make quilts? And the honest part of my craft room is under here. This is where all my longer term projects and stuff gets not thrown, but you know, pushed, and I can ignore it. But as you come in the room, you don't get to see that. But I have this huge amount of space now in the middle of the room, and it means that it feels brighter and airier and lighter. And I've got my work triangle, my sewing machine, ironing board, and my cutting table. So it's working really well, and I've been quite productive, which is fantastic. So that's my craft room.